Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. So basically in this class we are going to learn how to download and install Capcut. It is very simple and it doesn't matter if you have a Windows device or a Mac one, you can download it on both of them. So I have Capcut opened over here as you can see, but if you want to open it, you can simply go to Google or any browser you want and let's write Capcut for Windows since I have a Windows device, and I will simply click on this first link over here, and over here you can see this download button. I will simply click on this and it will start downloading the setup for me. So since I have already downloaded and installed the setup, it is giving me this error that I am downloading it twice, so I'm going to cancel it. The installation process is very simple. All you have to do is click and it will start installing the application for you. So let me show you how the application actually looks like. So I'm going to come over here. Let me close this. So I will click on this Capcut icon over here. Basically this is the icon for Capcut. So I will simply click on this, and since I am an old user of Capcut, I have already edited a lot of videos on it, so it is showing me all the previous projects. Maybe you have watched some of these videos on my Instagram if you follow me. So yeah, basically this is the setup. I can even click on this new project to create a new project and start editing, but I'm not going to do it right now because we are going to start doing this from the next video. So yes, from the next video I am going to give you an actual video to edit. I will give you all the footage and you will follow along with me. And the video which we are going to re-edit, I have already posted it on my Instagram. So basically I'm going to re-edit it for you, and that is the video which got 1.7 million views on Instagram. So yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, and I hope that you guys will really enjoy this course.